Hello students, yesterday we have learned about rational numbers. Today we go a little further. I am telling about decimal number. A decimal number can be obtained by the rational number. We understand it by taking an example. I am taking 1 upon 2 as example. 1 upon 2 means 1 divided by 2. We will get 0.5. This division process stops because we get 0 as remainder. So this is called terminating decimal. We take another example. 1 upon 3 means 1 by 3, 1 divided by 3. In this division process, we get 1 as a remainder in every time. We will get 0.3333 and so on. We can represent as 0.3 bar. Now come to another example. 1 upon 7, 1 divided by 7. Decimal expression of this number is very long. We see the decimal expression 0.142857, 142857. Again, this group of digits repeats. ये ग्रुप डिजिट्स का जो ग्रुप है ये वापस वापस रिपीट होता है, तो इसको भी हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं 0.142857 बार, क्योंकि ये जो 6 डिजिट्स का ग्रुप है, 6 डिजिट्स का ग्रुप है, ये बार बार रिपीट होता है. डेसिमल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लास्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल्स is called non-terminating form. So we conclude every rational number can be expressed as decimal number. They may be terminating or non-terminating. Now take some more decimal numbers. Taking value of pi. Value of pi is 3.1415926 and so on. In this decimal expression, there is no regularity of digits appears. We are taking another example as under root 2. Similarly, under root 2 value is 1.414135. Mathematicians calculated this value up to 65 decimal places. Again, irregularity appears. Now take third example under root 3, 1.732142 and so on. We conclude that decimal number are to 2 types. We conclude decimal number are of 2 types. First is terminating and second is non-terminating. We saw that non-terminating decimal has 2 forms, repeated and other is non-repeated. Now I am coming on the second definition of rational number. Rational numbers are terminating, non-terminating repeated decimal. वापस सुन लीजिए, रेशनल नंबर्स को टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग दोनों प्रकार के डेसिमल नंबर्स में रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है, लेकिन नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल जो है वो रिपीटेड होनी चाहिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/6, 0.16666, इसको भी हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं 0.16 बार। अब जो हमारा मेन टॉपिक आ रहा है, डेफिनेशन ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटेड डेसिमल इज कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3.12, 123, 1234। होमवर्क: write the definitions of rational and irrational numbers with 5 new examples. Thank you.